It's our Workspace Spark Maybox. I can't wait to show you what's inside. So this month's theme is strategies for managing your team. I love this quote on the back by Albert Einstein. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. What new things are you trying? All right, so let's dive in. So the first thing we have in our box is a sun and rain journal. Use this beautiful journal to jot down all your ideas and thoughts. I know you are just like me, and I love a good journal. Love it. Next is a leather cord organizer. So I would say this is my favorite thing in this box, but I don't know. There's one other thing in here that I really like too. But what's amazing is cords come with this organizer. I cannot wait to use this. So you can keep all of your things in here so that you're not walking around leaving your cords or your earbuds. If you have AirPods or anything else, you can put them in there. If you've been a subscriber with us for a while, you have those sharper image earbuds. You can put them in here as well. Next is a laptop's tablet stand. So I cannot wait to use this because I interchange using my tablet and my laptop sometimes. So if you look at this image here, it allows you to have it a little bit elevated. So I cannot wait to use this. This by far may be my favorite thing. Next, Words of Wisdom box. Leaders need motivation too. This Words of Wisdom Keepsake box is full of inspiration to help you keep going each day. And that is this here. So it has 80 themed phrases that provide daily words of inspiration. So this one says, dance like no one is watching, sing like no one is singing. No one is listening, and like each day like it's your last. And last but not least, the Japanese gel pen. Now, have you started writing with this yet? This pen is amazing. I had to go online and find more. So there you have it. That's all of our things for this May box. Of course, don't forget the monthly career training and interviews that we have had over this time. And thank you for being a subscriber. Until next time.